bonus reading for January the 17th to January the 18th. That is for water signs. So we have 10 of Swords, the 6 of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. So parang ang tagal ng walang communication, ano? Parang matagal na ring hindi walang pansinan, no? Kahit nagkikita pa kayo. Parang meron ditong isang taong biglang magsi-sink in, no? Itong mga pinaggagawa ninyo before. So someone is going to walk down memory lane, whether this is you or hopefully your person, no? Na parang sasabihin, sandali, hindi ko pala kaya na malayo, no? Or matagal yung ating hindi pagpapansinan. Parang gustong bumawi, gustong ibalik itong mga nakaraan, gustong sabihin na, um, pwede bang magsimula tayo uli? Pwede bang ipagpatuloy natin ang ating relasyon? So, this is your bonus reading, water signs for January the 17th to January the 18th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.